All right, welcome back to our discussions of MySQL. This time we're going to take another look at the distinct keyword and also the in operator separately. So recall that last time we saw the distinct keyword, it was in the context of an aggregate function. So here we're going to say, this is the answer to the question, show me the last name, or show me how many last names I have for employees, and then show me the distinct last names for employees. That is, if there's more than one Johnson or Smith, only count those once. Okay. So the distinct keyword also appears on the row itself. So this is in the context of an aggregate function, but the distinct keyword can also be on the row itself. So show me the last name for employees. Show me the unique or the distinct last names for employees. Let's run these queries and see what we have. So again, the entire employees table, all rows, all columns. For our employees, we have notice the information that's there. So now we'll just select the count of the last name and then the distinct last name. So we can see that we have a handful, about 4 last names that are duplicate in our employees. Now we're going to show the distinct on the entire row itself. So show me the last, instead of just the aggregate, that is how many I have, show me the last names for my employees. And there they are. And now we see some duplicate names. And so this applying distinct to that entire row here says if it's appeared already and it's going to be duplicate in all columns, so we only have one column here, but all columns have to be unique to count as a duplicate, then just show me the unique employee last names. Okay. So modifying the query a little bit, show me the last name and the office code for employees. So we see that, and of course we have duplicates as well because we're not using distinct again. So now distinct, and this shows that the distinct applies not just to the last name, which is next to, but the entire row. So Baudier in office number 4 was eliminated because this entire row, given the select statement, has appeared twice now, so it only appears once when we apply distinct to it. However, Forelli here has the last name because they have different office codes. It's not unique across the entire row. So it could be easily read here if you see the distinct and it's right next to last name that, oh, we want distinct last names, and office code is not part of the equation. But that is not the correct interpretation. The distinct applies to all the selected columns that you've made in your select statement. Let's contrast that once again to in the context of an aggregate function. So inside of an aggregate function, it's the aggregate function counting unique last names. Outside the aggregate function, it says this row is unique in the query. So distinct last name and office code will allow duplicate last names as long as they have a different office code. So now I'm going to show the set operator, which is the in. So is it in this set? And I'll show you the syntax of the way we express set. So when we have a business problem, show sales rep for employees in offices 6, 3, and 4. So select star from employees, where the office code is equal to 6, or the office code is equal to 3, or the office code is equal to 4. And the jobs and the job title is sales rep. So here's our results. Here, no, it's ordered by that. So that's this one. Yes. Select every column from office codes 3, 4, and 6, and order by office code and reports to. So it looks like everyone in office code 3 reports to this person, the sales reps anyway. So it's sorted on that office code and reports to here. And we can see this is classic computer logic, and the way you do it in Java, the way you'd have to do it. Office code is equal to 3. Or office code is equal to 3, or office code is equal to 4, explicitly. All right, this is using a set. So this establishes a set of numbers. The data type inside parentheses, that's a set of something, and then you can use the in operator. Is office code in this set? Same logically as this. Much better expression. And the set can be built dynamically. Here I have a hard-coded set, but later on we'll see when we have embedded queries or nested queries how you can build a set dynamically. Same result though. Show me the sales reps in office code 6, 3, or 4. and that's the result, and then order by office code and reports to. All right. So the distinct operator as it applies to the select row, and the in operator applying to sets, making the OR logic if you're looking for, I want to see customers in West Virginia, North Virginia, California, and Nevada. That makes that type of logic so much nicer. All right. See you next time.